Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and really delicious chicken chow mein. So for chicken chow mein, of course, you're going to need some noodles. I'm using egg noodles here, and these are fresh. You can find them in most mainstream supermarkets now in the fridge in the veg section, and they come like this. They come in packs and they're very convenient because you don't have to boil them up from dry. And that makes life a lot quicker, a lot easier. And they're relatively cheap. They're still pretty cheap, so that's all good. What I'm doing here is to prevent sticking when we're stir frying, or to reduce the chance of sticking, is I'm just putting it in some kitchen roll and just drying it off as much as possible, because it's the moisture in the noodles that's going to stick. It's going to make it stick. The drier we can make it, the better. You don't have to go to extreme. If you can just take the excess moisture out of it, that's absolutely fine. For the chicken, I'm using skinless chicken thighs. For the people who watch my channel regularly, you'll know that I think that chicken thighs are the best part of the chicken because they hold their moisture and they have the most flavour. A lot of people get put off by the skin. I get so many people asking for skin off recipes. Well, here you go. So the best thing about these chicken thighs is that not only have they taken off the skin, but they've deboned them, which makes life a lot easier for when we're doing stir fry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them into smaller chunks. Now I'm not going to cut them too small because I want a little bit of bite. I don't want to make it so it's just little tiny flakes of chicken. Okay, so I've got 2 pieces of spring onion here in the top and tail. And then I'm just going to slice them quite fine. One clove of garlic. So I'm just going to slice this thin. If you don't like sort of larger slices of garlic in, you can dice it finely, but I don't mind getting some little nuggets of garlic. So I'm going to bring back my chicken here. I'm going to add a splash of light soy sauce. It's probably about half a tablespoon. About a teaspoon of sesame oil. And about half a teaspoon of sugar for just that little bit of sweetness. This makes quite a classic Chinese marinade and will give you a lot of flavour. Chicken takes on the flavour of anything you put with it, so this is ideal. I would let that sit for about 20 minutes or more. Overnight, if you're doing it for the next day, that would be perfect. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put some oil in the pan, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Get that smoking hot. And the next thing we're going to do is add our chicken in. We're going to seal that in and caramelise all the chicken before we move on to the next step. When you've got a flame, when you've got a hot flame, this does not take long at all. Okay. Garlic in next. Get that cooking. And now for our noodles. Keep things moving, keep things hot. Splash of light soy sauce. Smoking. Notice the noodles are not sticking to the pan, which is a combination of using a very hot heat and drying the noodles ever so slightly. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, scallions, spring onions, whatever you want to call them, they're going in. Give them a toss through. A little bit more soy sauce. And there you have it, chicken chow mein, delicious chicken chow mein in minutes. Chicken chow mein, one of the staples in many restaurants and takeaways the world over. This one you can make your own. Right, let's have a go. That chicken has that beautiful marinade going through it. You can taste the sesame oil, the slight sweetness from the little bit of sugar I added, and the soy sauce all blends in. That's a classic Chinese marinade. Also has that wok hei that I've been experiencing with my new little stove thing, which gives it a little bit extra heat. It's actually hotter than my main stove, which is amazing. Anyway, the noodles. Flavours are all there. Soy sauce. The marinade has infused the noodle a little bit, so you're getting that into it, which is great, which is why I didn't add any more sesame oil. The spring onions, absolutely amazing. Gives that little bit of crunch and that freshness to the dish, which is really, really nice. Overall, really simple, really nice. I've got that wok hei slight kind of toastiness to it, which is amazing, which is a signature thing of Chinese cooking. Don't worry if you can't generate that kind of heat, because at the end of the day you'll get 90% of all the flavours. Even if you're using non-stick on an electric hob, you can still do it. I've always said whatever you've got, you can cook really well with it. It's just a case of slightly altering your technique and getting the best out of your fresh ingredients. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Tell me which one is your favourite chow mein. Do you like chicken? Do you like seafood? Do you like beef, pork, lamb? What do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Do all the good stuff, and also visit chowwithlao.com where you'll find my merch. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.